My buddy Steve dropped this off, said it won't start. Turn the switch on, give it a little choke, open the fuel